we are going to buy our boat!
Today is the day to say yes to our new home.
Shortly after buying our new home, we took it on an adventure from the Azores to Cascais in Portugal. Nearly 7 days on the Atlantic Ocean. If you're new here, we are Pat and Frankie. Meet our friends and co-sailors Mats and Sophia and Peter and Ingrid.
Our new shift starts, and we always divide the night time into 3 different shift times, and we change every 3 hours. So it's shift and then sleeping, and shift and then sleeping, and that's why I think actually our days begin with the nights, because we kind of stay awake until 8 o'clock is the last shift ending. So this night Pat and I will start the shift, and then we'll have some time to sleep, but we'll have to wake up at 3:30 again the next day. So we always have a little nap the next day. Yeah.
And today in the morning we had the last shift and it was so beautiful with the sunrise, and we took a shower on deck with the sunrise in the background, so it was wonderful.
It was really nice.
And now let's go to prepare the dinner.
Yes. Sophia, what are we having for dinner today?
Today we're having carbonara with fusilli. The spaghetti was out.
That sounds great. And some parmesan.
And some parmesan.
Getting ready for bed.
Ready for that.
So we can start our shift tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, today. How has the shift been so far?
Tonight it was easy. We went forward on the motor, so it was not a big thing to manage all the things. And yeah, we had 2 or 3 shifts today. 2. Yeah, because one person is sick. And now we are waiting for the sunrise.
It's starting to come, but I think sunrise time is at
5:30. Good morning.
morning.
This was our second last night.
Yes, and I'm still tired.
And how was yesterday night?
It's fine. Bit of rain, bit of wind, a bit of waves. Was nice. The rest of the crew is still sleeping and I'm looking forward for a nice breakfast. Okay?
Just us, the boat, and 5,000 meters of water.
Deep sea.
Of deep sea and deep blue. How have the last days on the ocean been for you, babe?
It was nice. It was really nice. It was much better than expected. I was not sure if it works for me with no land in the viewing area, but it was really good. We had good conditions. The first 2 days were a bit
Rough.
rough, you can say, and then it was really good. And one day we had to use the motor. That was not so nice because it's much louder. It's not a sailing experience, but all in all it was really nice.
We can see land, babe. Land.
Yeah.
After 6.5 days. We really want to say thank you to Mats and Sophia and Peter and Ingrid for making this trip possible. Hit subscribe and hop on board to not miss our next video. We are going to take you on a tour of our new floating home. Leave a thumbs up if you want to see that.